Of Adalynn Pierce made emotional statements in court as the woman who pleaded guilty to causing the girl's death learned her sentence. Prosecutors charged Kaylee Andre with vehicular homicide for hitting and killing the 8-year-old while she was crossing the street after she got off the school bus. Fox 5's Eric Perry is at the live desk more. And Eric, you listened to this morning's emotional hearing.
Yeah, Christine, I have to say it was very tough to watch. The family of the little girl who went by Addy was emotional. The woman who claims responsibility, Kaylee Andre, was in tears the entire time, but we also saw video of the moment of impact. We saw pictures of the little girl in the hospital, and we also heard the 911 calls as well.
First, I want to express to the Pierce family how extremely sorry I am. I've prayed every day that I can take it all back.
An emotional Kaylee Andre went before a Henry County judge Thursday as she accepts the guilty plea to first-degree vehicular homicide and failure to stop for a school bus and the death of 8-year-old Adalynn Pierce. Investigators say Andre ignored the bus signals when she hit the young girl outside of her home who was crossing the street on February 1st, 2024. The judge sentenced her to 15 years with 8 years to serve.
Your Honor, it has been 476 days. 476 days of unimaginable pain and waking up to a world that no longer holds the light of our sweet Adalynn.
This video from inside the bus shows the moments right before the crash. We are not showing the moment of impact.
We witnessed negligence when there was no regard for the stop sign or flashing lights or the blaring horn.
The court also heard emotional 911 calls from Addy's mom, who watched her baby get hit.
No, she's not breathing, please, darling. Yeah, it's okay. Oh my God, please, God.
We stand before you just 5 days before what should have been Adalynn's 10th birthday. Still yearning for a measure of justice that might allow us to begin to heal.
Addy's mom and sisters addressed the court.
And Kaylee Andre made a choice to pass that school bus. What Kaylee did was a voluntary decision. Addy's death was preventable if she had just chose to stay behind that bus and follow traffic laws.
I may be able to understand your guilt and regret of this, but you'll never have to understand the pain and grief of losing your little sister.
Yeah, so Addy's mom also talked about how they channeled their grief into a mission. They created Addy's Law, which makes the consequences harsher for drivers who pass that stop school bus when kids are getting on and off of it. At the live desk, I'm Eric Perry, Fox 5 News.
Incredibly heartbreaking to listen to that. Eric, thanks so much. Well.